Chris here back. Welcome to my haircut channel to learn. This is a haircut. The best way I can describe it, it's pink and it's shorter after I cut it. I take a guideline at the back of the nail and then I scrap it for a scissor or a comb. Once that's done, then I jump to the buzzers and I make that hairline look pimping, curvy, with some points. Other people call this graduation, and it's at 45 degrees, the angle, not the temperature. It has one section of over direction into the middle to keep the edges longer. Unfortunately, you have to do this on all the bits of the hair, or it just doesn't work out. I'm going to do a really quick blow dry and straighten. This is point cutting. It thins out the ends and lets me correct any heavy areas and fuck ups that I may have done along the way. Next is layers. It's like upside down graduation. It does the same job, just in the opposite direction. Then we do point cutting, where we'll point cut them bad boy ends with the points of the scissors into the points of the hair. Hence where they got the name from, point cutting. Then we'll refine everything, tidy it up, make it look pimping again. And then we're going to slice that fringy to avoid blunt lines. And then you style her up and get ready to party. Shabba.